Hey there, legends. Imagine walking into a room and instantly catching her eye. No cheesy pickup lines, no awkward small talk, just pure magnetic attraction. Sounds impossible? Think again. In this video, I will show you how to attract her without even saying a single word. It is all about confidence, style, and a little mystery. Before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on these life-changing tips. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Tip 1. Walk like you own the place. Think of your favorite movie hero, James Bond maybe? He does not just walk, he glides with confidence. Shoulders back, chest slightly out, and a smooth, controlled pace. The next time you are out, try this. A confident walk screams, "I am worth noticing." Pro tip: avoid the exaggerated strut. You are not auditioning for a runway. Tip 2. Dress to impress, without overdoing it. You do not need a tuxedo to stand out, but fitted clothes that highlight your physique? That is a game changer. Swap those baggy jeans for slim-fit chinos or a tailored jacket. Women notice the details, so make sure your shoes are clean, and maybe even toss on a subtle, high-quality cologne. Real life. A buddy of mine wore the same scuffed sneakers for years. He finally upgraded and boom, instant compliments. Tip 3. The power of eye contact. Catch her gaze for a second, maybe 2, then look away with a sly smile. It is the classic, "Did I just catch you staring?" move, and it works. But do not overdo it. Staring too long makes you look creepy, not confident. Fun fact: a study says holding eye contact for 3 seconds increases attraction. Try it next time you are out. Tip 4. Be busy, but not too busy. Women are drawn to men who seem like they have a life. Whether it is chatting with friends or checking out an interesting art piece, show that you are engaged in something fun. But if she does glance your way, give her a small nod or smile. Acknowledge her presence. Quick test. Would you find someone attractive if they looked bored and lifeless? Neither would she. Tip 5. Subtle gestures go a long way. Adjust your watch, roll up your sleeves to show off those forearms, or run your fingers through your hair when it looks natural. These small movements can make you appear more appealing without screaming for attention. True story. A friend casually adjusted his jacket at a party, and it caught the attention of 2 women instantly, smooth and effortless. Conclusion. And there you have it, gentlemen. 5 killer ways to attract her without even saying a word. Remember, it is not about pretending to be someone you are not. It is about amplifying the best version of you. Confidence, style, and a bit of mystery are your secret weapons. If you master these, trust me, you will not need cheesy pickup lines ever again. If these tips helped, or if you are ready to level up your game, drop a comment below and share your story. Smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss out on more game-changing advice. Your journey to becoming irresistible starts now. Do not miss it.